Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect caramel. Start by gathering your simple ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and a small squeeze of lemon juice. These are the foundation for our delicious caramel. Make sure you have a good quality, heavy-bottomed saucepan ready, as this will ensure your sugar heats evenly and prevents burning. Also, prepare a heat-proof surface nearby for when the caramel is done. Now combine your sugar, water, and lemon juice in the saucepan. Place it over medium-high heat. It's crucial not to stir the mixture at this stage. Just let it come to a boil. Once boiling, you can gently swirl the pan occasionally to help dissolve any sugar crystals clinging to the sides. This prevents crystallization and ensures a smooth caramel. Keep cooking the syrup, watching it closely as it transforms. It will first become clear, then light yellow, and finally a beautiful amber color. This color change happens very quickly, so stay attentive. The moment it reaches a rich, golden brown, remove the pan from the heat immediately. Overcooking by even a few seconds can lead to burnt, bitter caramel. Once off the heat, carefully pour your hot caramel onto a sheet of parchment paper or a silicone mat. Be extremely cautious as it's very hot. Let it cool completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes until it hardens. Once firm, you can break it into pieces. Store your homemade caramel in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will stay fresh for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.